Good morning, children. Children, in our last video, we had done exercise 9.3, that is subtract the following. And we have completed this exercise. I hope all of you have completed your homework also. So today, children, we will start our next exercise, that is 9.4. That is the word problem based on measurement of weights. So let's start with the question number 1. As it is a word problem, you have to read the question properly, understand the question properly, and you have to write the statements accordingly, and then you have to do the operation. Okay? Whether it will be plus, minus, multiplication or divide, you have to think on it. So let's start the question number 1. Question number 1 is, a basket of apples weighs 10 kg and a basket of bananas weighs 8 kg. So 8 kg and 750 gram. What is the total weight of both the baskets? So children, we have two baskets. One basket is full of apples and second basket is full of bananas. And you have to find the total weight. Now tell me children, when you have to find the total, what we do? Plus or minus? Yes, we do the addition. So we will add these two weights. First of all, weight of apples and then weight of bananas. We will add these two weights and then we will get our answer. Let's do in the copy, children. So children, you may see I have written the question and now we will do the solution. So weight of apples basket, that is 10 kg. Weight of bananas basket, that is 8 kg and 750 gram. Okay. Now children, we have to find the total weight of both the baskets. So we will add these two weights. So 10 kg plus 8 kg and 750 gram. These two you will add. I am showing the addition here. You may also do the calculation here. So we are making here two columns, kilogram and gram. It is 10 kg. So write under the 10. And now there is no gram na. So you put here 0, 0, 0. Next number is your 8 kg. Write under the kg 8. 750 gram. So write under the gram 750. Now do the addition. So we are getting 18 kg 750 gram. So this is your answer. Total weight is your 18 kg 750 gram. I hope it is clear. Now children, moving to question number 3. That is, Neha is to fly to Bangalore. She has packed 3 bags. One of the bag weighs 5 kg and 250 gram. The second weighs 9 kg 450 gram. And the third weighs 2 kg 960 gram. Find the total weight of the bags she will carry in the flight. So I hope you understood the question. Okay. So Neha is going to Bangalore. She has 3 bags. One bag weight is 5 kg 250 gram. Second bag's weight is 9 kg 450 gram. And third bag's weight is 2 kg and 960 gram. So you have to find the total weight. Again children, you have to find the total weight. So we will do here addition. So let's start in copy again. So here children, I have written the question. You will also note down the question. Now here the solution. Weight of the first bag, that is 5 kg 250 gram. Now weight of the second bag, 9 kg 450 gram. Now weight of the third bag, 2 kg 960 gram. So you have to find the total weight of the bags. So you will add these 3 weights. Okay. So these numbers we are writing one by one and we will do here addition. Now these 3 additions you may show here. See, I am writing. I have made here 2 columns, kilogram and gram. Now under the kilogram write here 5. Now under the gram write 250. Now again under the kilogram write here 9. Now again under the gram you write here 450. Now under the kilogram you write here 2. Look at here. Now under the gram you write here 960. Now you do here addition children. So after addition we are getting the answer 17 kg 660 gram. So write here answer 17 kg 660 gram. Okay. Okay, children. Now moving to next question. Now moving to question number 5. The total weight of 3 boys is 85 kg. Okay. There are 3 boys and all total their weight is 85 kg. 2 of them weigh 28 kg 315 gram and 35 kg 650 gram. What is the weight of the third boy? So children, there are 3 boys. The weight of the first boy is this. Weight of the second boy is this. And you have to find the weight of the third boy. Okay. And the sum of all the 3 boys' weight is 85 kg. So you have to find the weight of the third boy. Okay. I will explain you, children. Let's see in the copy. Children, I have written here the question. Now we will solve the sum. Now look at here, children, in the rough column I have tried to explain you like this. Suppose we are having 3 boys, first boy, second boy and the third boy, and the sum of all 3 boys' weight is 85 kg. Now you know the weight of the first boy and the second boy. These 2 weights you know. Okay. Now you have to find the weight of this third boy. So what we will do? How we will solve? We will add these 2 weights and then we will subtract from this 85 kg. Clear? And you will get the weight of the third boy. So here these 2 weights you know. So these 2 weights you will add. Weight of the first boy, weight of the second boy. We will add these 2. And then we will subtract from this 85 kg. Okay, because it is the sum of all the 3 boys, no? Let's proceed. So I have written here, the total weight of 3 boys is 85 kg. Now weight of the first boy, 28 kg 315 gram. Weight of the second boy, 35 kg 650 gram. Now we will add these 2. Okay. So we are writing here weight of the first boy and the second boy together. So these 2 weights we are adding, weight of the first boy and weight of the second boy. Okay. I have done addition in the rough column. So we are making here 2 columns, kilogram and gram. Now here 28 kg. So write under the kg 28. 315 gram. Write under the gram 315. Now 35 kg. Under the kg write 35. 650 gram. So write here 650. So on addition we are getting 63 kg 965 gram. Okay. So this is the weight of the first boy and second boy. Now what we will do? We have to find weight of the third boy. So we will do 85 kg minus this sum. Clear? So we are doing here 85 kg minus this number 63 kg 965 gram. So this subtraction also I have done in the rough column. Under the kg you write here 85, but there is no gram na, so write here 0 0 0. Now next line you write 63 kg, under the kg write 63, under the gram you write 965. Now you do subtraction, you know this. Okay, this borrowing you know, and on subtraction we are getting, after subtraction 21 kg 35 gram. So this is the weight of the third boy. So weight of the third boy is 21 kg 35 gram. Okay, I hope you understood how we are solving. Okay. Now children, moving to question number 7. The weight of biscuits in a tin is 25 kg 500 gram and the weight of the empty tin is 1 kg 486 gram. So what is the total weight of the tin with the biscuits? Okay, you might have seen children that we take a container, no, to keep our biscuits and many things. So that container is also having some weight, no? So there is a tin and the weight of the tin is 1 kg and 486 gram. Now in that tin we are keeping biscuits. The weight of biscuits is 25 kg 500 gram. Okay. So now after filling in the tin these much biscuits, what is the total weight of the tin with the biscuit. Okay, so what we will do to find the total weight? Yes, we will add these two numbers. So again, we will write weight of biscuits and then weight of empty tin. And then we will add these two to find the total weight of the tin with the biscuits. Clear? I have written here the question, children. Now I am writing the statement. The weight of biscuits in a tin, that is 25 kg 500 gram. And now the weight of the empty tin, that is 1 kg 486 gram. So now total weight of the tin with the biscuits. So you have to find the total weight. So we will do addition. So these two we will add. Okay. So I am showing here addition, children. You may look here. Make here two columns, kilogram and gram. Now under the kilogram, that is 25 kg, write here 25. 500 gram, write here 500. Now 1 kg, so write here 1 kg in the here under the 5, and 486 gram, so write here 486 gram. Now on addition you will get 26 kg 986 gram. So the total weight of the tin with the biscuits is 26 kg 986 gram. I hope it is clear, children. Okay. So for today this much only. In our next video we will complete this exercise. Till then, take care. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.